Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month we will continue to make more drinks, but for this month's theme we will be doing our 4th round of Juiceless July, where I will be focusing on 5 different drinks that don't use fruit juices in their recipes. For this episode we will be making some Sparkling Lemongrass Matcha. For this recipe you will need 1 to 2 stalks of fresh lemongrass, a 1/3 cup of sugar or honey, 3/4 cup of water for the syrup, 2 to 3 teaspoons of matcha powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water, 2 to 3 cups of club soda or sparkling water, and some ice if desired. This will make about 2 to 4 servings, so just as needed. First we'll make the lemongrass syrup, so for the lemongrass, trim the tough outer layers and root end of the stalks if needed, then roughly chop them up. Then in a saucepan, combine the chopped lemongrass, 3/4 cup of water, and sugar. Next, bring this to a gentle simmer, stirring until the sugar dissolves, then let this simmer on medium-low heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove this from the heat and let it cool and steep for another 10 minutes or so. Next, strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve, pressing on the solids to extract all the juices, and then let it cool completely. During this time, heat up some water for your matcha. Next, in a small bowl, whisk the matcha with 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot water until the matcha is smooth and frothy. Then add in the cooled lemongrass syrup into the matcha and give it a stir. Then when you're ready to serve your drinks, fill your glasses with ice, pour in the cold club soda until the glass is about 3/4 full, slowly pour the matcha mixture over the top of the club soda, then give this a gentle stir to mix the matcha in, and with that, your sparkling lemongrass matcha is ready to drink. For our next thirst-quenching drink, I thought it would be nice to highlight this interesting flavor mix of matcha and lemongrass. For this drink recipe, I was inspired by our previous matcha drink recipe to combine the earthy matcha with another form of citrusy flavor, but this time without using lime juice. The earthy matcha pairs surprisingly well with the light, citrusy, and herbal notes of the fresh lemongrass, creating a clean and vibrant flavor combination. Like our other drinks made with club soda, this drink is best enjoyed the same day you make it for the freshest fizz. However, you can make the lemongrass syrup separately and store it in the fridge for up to a week, and just combine it with the matcha and club soda later. If you wish to make this with alcohol, I recommend mixing this with vodka or gin, as these will pair really well with the herbal lemongrass and earthy matcha notes. Just add it when you pour in the club soda, and it should be good to go. For the matcha, any type should work, but I recommend using good quality culinary or ceremonial grade matcha so that the drink has the best color and taste. But regardless of what type of matcha you use, this light, herbal, and refreshing sparkling lemongrass matcha will be a great way to cool off on a hot summer day. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it. Let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max to watch the Max AC channel. Slowly pour the matcha mixture over the top of the club soda. Oops.